Good morning. I am Jeremy, also known as Franksky. Just to let you know who I am, I do Lego reviews, I do casting. I'm actually going to be going over the welcome box to Nerd Block today. Super excited about this. And in the future, I've actually gotten back onto Loot Crate, and I'm going to do the verses by myself. Thanks, Alec. Now for an opening of this box. Alec was my co-host at early shows, so I miss you, buddy. First off, it looks cool, and we have a 10th Doctor vinyl figure, so that's neat already. Oh, I feel very welcomed already. Next up, we have a touch controller joystick for touch screens. So, something for smartphones so I can play my little games. We have a cut the rope Nami. Let's find out which one we got. We have gotten... They're little rubber fellas. I got little ears. Oh, the little cut the rope fella with the Santa Claus hat. Ooh. I haven't even done Halloween yet. What? Candy? Don't eat that. I already touched with that. We have, we have an exclusive item. Let's find out what this is. I have no idea what this is. It is a Clickers Twist Your Imagination. I'm going to assume you can make like little shapes out of it and give your... I don't know. You'd probably get pretty good at this. How do I build a hand with a thumbs up sign? Oh, there we go. Sort of. We have a Groot magnet that's going on the refrigerator. And they tell you, welcome, and they show you a little bit about their other boxes. Your classic nerd, your arcade block, your horror block, and your comic block. Now, I play a lot of old school Nintendo, so I think the arcade block would be super cool. Well, you know, I look forward to seeing a full box Loot Crate versus Nerd Block, and we will see which one is better. Alright, so check me out next time, and if you want to see the other videos I do, they are all around. I'm actually going to be doing later today the video taking care of a clown. I know not everyone likes clowns. Me, I hate them. I think they're creepy. I don't understand them. And when I saw this clown painting, I'm like, oh, I have to kill this. So that's the next video. Have fun out there.